Hi, my name's Aaron, the CEO and co-founder here at Pedestal. Pedestal is a social media platform that enables you to connect with mentors or mentees. We think it makes the process of finding and working with a mentor or mentee much easier. The reasons why we created Pedestal was to break down the barriers to professional guidance. Once the partnership is formed, they get access to a shared workspace that gives them tools they can use regardless of whatever industry they come from. A lot of Fortune 500 companies have mentoring programs, but you have to work there to actually get involved. That's why we created Pedestal, so you can have access to those mentoring programs that companies provide. Users on the platform can find guidance in mentorship. We really believe Pedestal is going to change professional development and give people a new pathway to success.